Let's create dynamic column chart in Excel. You can also open up Excel. All you can do is that you can just simply follow this tiny 6 step. With that, we will be able to create like this chart. And I have taken the data from Wikipedia. This is the temperature in India and across 4 seasons: winter, summer, monsoon, and post monsoon. And what I have done, I have taken the low and medium. I have calculated these two columns as low from this data set, low and high. And then this is a 16 city. We are going to talk about it. And let's go ahead and create from the beginning, right? If you wanted to have an image like this, you can have it. Otherwise, if you want to have it simple, you without any image, that also is fine, right? Let's start with creating a new file. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete the entire things. I'm going to delete this step also as well, or I can just keep it unhide these steps. In case if you want, you can just, I'll keep the same step in the description also as well. Okay. So this is the data set we have. All we have done is that we have calculated the low and high, right? So let's do it quickly. So minimum value. So minimum of this one is 0, we know, right? So we can just drag this up. Similarly, high, maximum. So here we know maximum for live is 16. Just drag. So now you got this. So first thing, what we can do is these 3 data set we can select and go to insert, go to the recommended chart, and we don't need all these. So we need a line chart. You can go to all chart. From there, you can just select the line chart as well. So this is the line chart. Now it has come, and a couple of things we are gonna do it. So let me just make it big. So a couple of things we are gonna do it. Okay, and we don't need, okay, low is this one and high is the orange color and this one is the low. We can just delete this also as well. Okay, and we don't need the grid also. And all we can do is that throughout the one we can use only Arial, right? Example, right? And I'll make it bold. Okay, and then I will have the data label also as well, because I don't need to select each and everything. So we can select the entire, by clicking here, it will apply for the entire one. And the chart title, very basic thing, we can do it. You can keep it equal to and give here. So it will take this one. So this is few things we have already done it. So now all we can do is that select this data and just select this date, chart, go to plus, and then you have up or down bar, right? So you can see that this up and down bar is being created, right? So this is one. Once it is done, so again you click here, okay, and now you can go to this. We have selected the high value of grid lines, right? Trend line. Go to format, and you'll have a drop down. It is already high. That is great. And then you come back to this one. You come back to this one, and then you can give no outline, right? So outline is gone. And similarly, you can do the same thing. Click here and make sure that it is 0 and low. If not, you have to select it one more time. So this is already there, and outline is no outline, right? This is done. So you can see this is already been done, right? So in the next step, what we need to do is that, so you can just click this one, and then if you want to change the color, for example, here I have used a different color. If you want, we can just do it, right? So now all we can do is that you can go to format, right? Sorry, you can go to design, and then the second one is there, right? So this design you can take it. So without doing anything, automatically you got this, and I don't need the grids. You can see it is here. Lev is between 0 to 16. Minimum value is 0. Shimla, if you take 5 degree to 18 degree, and Srinagar is 4 to 22, and it goes on, right? So if you look at Trivandrum, it is the deviation is standard deviation is very, very low, 26 to 29, right? And this is super low. Port layer is super low, 26 to minimum 26 and maximum 27. It's almost consistent temperature they have, right? Okay, this is, we have created a lovely chart, right? So what I will do, I will just copy, and maybe I will keep it down. If you wanted to create one more, you can just do it. For example, uh, this is the chart with this value. If you want again background and all that, you can change. This does not have any background. What I have done, I have also created an image, right? If you wanted to do, Right click on this, go to a format chart area, and then here you have a solid fill, and sorry, you have picture or texture one, and you can just click this one file. I have already taken from that file, and it is also claimant of India. And what is this? So, I mean, this is again, it's not visible. All we can do is that you can just change to white color example, right? So now this is a beautiful chart has been created. This alone, I will keep it black. The rest of the thing is fine. And then it is claimant of India, and it has given wonderful chart, right? So like this, you can create the amazing chart. Like this is a normal one, or this is a image overlay chart. So any of the chart you can easily create with the help of this data set. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day.